I've had some of these installed on my home for a couple of years now. aosu just recently sent me some more so I could add some more to my house. This comes in a 2-pack, a 4-pack, or a 6-pack. And I think my favorite thing about this is you can see everything is built together. So as you can see, it has a solar panel on top, a built-in battery. You don't have to worry about power as long as it's getting enough sun. To mount this and install this, you just have 3 screws. You screw it in, you pop this into place. That is it. You are done. And then with the setup process with the app, it comes with a home base. So all you have to do is plug your home base into your network, open the app. It's going to recognize your home base. You press a button, say, yep, this is it. And then all of the devices that come with the home base, they're already added to it. So you don't have to do anything else. So you can literally set this up with just pressing a few buttons and then you are done. If you're looking for something super simple, this is it. I don't think there's anything that is more simple than this. Now, of course, the nice thing about a camera like this is it is PTZ, so it rotates around. It will look for a subject. It will follow it around. You can set a home location, so you can say, here's the part I want you to focus on this part, and then when it sees something, it will follow it around. You can also specify the areas that you want it to look for, activity or movement. You can specify how you want notifications to work. With the app, it's really nice. You get notifications. You know exactly when someone comes into view. It's going to say there's movement detected. You open up the app, you can see exactly what's going on. So whether you just need one of these by your door to see when packages arrive, or if you're like me and you want to put them all the way around your house so you can see everything that's going on, or for me, I just kind of like to see some of the deer in my yard at night as they come into view. This is fantastic. The home base has built-in local storage, so even if someone were to steal this or something happened to these cameras, you still have the footage saved on the home base, so you always have that footage nice and secure. It comes with 32 gigs of built-in storage. Now, I don't think that storage is expandable, so once the storage fills up, it kind of starts overwriting itself, but I find that usually I can get a few months of video files stored on the home base. But I just really like how easy this is to set it up. You just screw in the mount, put this on the mount, and then you don't have to worry about any maintenance or anything like this. Like I said, I've had a couple of these installed on my house already. It's been through a couple winters, a lot of rain. They are completely exposed. There's nothing protecting them. It doesn't matter. These have not had any problem with the weather. Really durable, long lasting, super easy to set up, really great cameras.